Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to save offline routes in Google Maps. If you want to save offline routes in Google Maps, first of all just open your Google Maps. Now after opening your Google Maps, here you will see at the right side top of your screen, left side top of your screen, three lines. Just click on the three lines. Now scroll down and here you will see offline maps. Just click on offline maps. Now you have to choose the area of which you want to save offline routes. Now just click on the select your own map. Now after selecting your own map, you have to just scroll down or scroll up or zoom in or zoom up by using your two finger, and you can choose the maps which you want to download or the area of which you want to download the route offline. So like this, after choosing the area, you have to just click on here you will see in the bottom of your map, and download will use 25 MB, means the size of your map will be shown here. So like this you can choose, and after choosing that just click on the download. Now you will see that this will download in your Google Maps. So after downloading it, you can choose it, you can use it offline. So like this you can use or save routes in Google Maps. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.